Right, okay, so let's start drawing some figures, which you see right here. And now this one is quite simple. Let's try to draw this asset here. And it might seem to be that this is not so complicated. If you to get the concept of how to draw, it's possible for you to draw this figure without much struggle. So first, let's try to draw this figure. And this figure has been oriented in a different way and filled it right into this box, so it's quite a simple concept. So first, let's try to use it. Do not draw this figure completely. Rather, we can draw the half and we can mirror it, you can say. And I see having a circle of diameter 14.3 right here. So, well, that's it. Before drawing it, I don't want to alt tab every time. Rather, I like to drag the image right into AutoCAD and place it and scale it, rotate it. And second thing, we can go for viewport, and we can go for a 2 vertical configuration so that I can have a figure right on one viewport, and in the second viewport I can draw the figure. Okay, so right now we can have the method which is center diameter, so go for circle and picking up the center point and go for a diameter, and well, the diameter is, you can say, that is 14.35. Okay, that's quite simple, you can say, and the height goes right into 17.3, so let's draw by making use of a line, and 17.3 is here. And one line goes right into the tangent, and taking up the line and goes right into the tangent, or will show right there, and the other line will go right into the center. That's quite cool. Now you can go for trim, and we can select it and mirror it. Okay, turn on the ortho, and I don't want to erase any source object. So that's one way of drawing the figure. Or if you are not aware on how to do the mirror command, you can draw 2 separate circles and 2 separate tangents and 2 separate trims, or you can do it parts by parts. So that's the basic concept of drawing the figure. Now we can pack these figures right into this box. Well, the first thing is height is 100. That's the only one thing that's given here. So you can either copy it and turn off ortho, place it right here, and great. And now you can rotate it. Yeah, turn on ortho, or really doesn't matter. So that's one way you can copy that, rotate it. So executed 2 commands here, or you can go for MOCORO, which will eventually execute 2 of the programs together, which is a collection. Or that's the first way, or you can go for this particular command which you see on the screen now, which is MOCORO, which is a collection of certain modified tools. So just select it, or you can go click it, and MOCORO, which is asking you to select the base point. Right after I select the base point, it will ask you to, okay, I would like to copy that, and I would like to place it right here, then enter key, then I would like to rotate it, and I would like to select it right here, and I want to exit it out. So either you can go for copy then rotate, or you can go for MOCORO, whatever is up to you. Now you would like to have a line here. One way is drawing a line right into the quadrants and again extend it 1 and 2, that's one way. Or you can offset it, There's having a true option here, so going to true, select the source object, and you can go for the destination object, which is right there in the quadrant. Alright, okay, so now let's try to copy the asset right into here, and either you can go for, MOCORO, or you can go for, I'd like to copy that. I don't want to have an unnecessary tool here. One is here, and I like to maybe mirror it, maybe from first point to second point here. Okay, then I can trim it. I don't want to have this line, and I don't want to have this line. So, okay, then we are having another symmetric object, which is right here. You can judge by the appearance that you can mirror it. Well, I can select it, and I can mirror it, and maybe the first one and second point. Okay, And well, you can have rotated objects here. Well, you can rotate it. The base point should be right here, and you can go for copy this. Now the second point is right here. You can select both of these objects and rotate it. Base point here, and go for a copy, and this should be the angle. So that's it. You can see the figure is perfect. That's one way of doing it. Or you can go for, select the object, then U for array, polar. Okay, that's it. Now specifying the center point, the point about which the object is supposed to rotate, or you can say that's a pivot point. Alright, and now I would like to have 4 items, nothing else you want to do, and exit out of the array. Wow, that's great. Now I'd like to copy these objects here, maybe 1-2 times. Oh yeah, that's a little... Okay, anyway, select it. I can copy this object. Maybe, well, this is the first point should be the quadrant, and the second point should be the quadrant. Okay. Or you can, well, alright. Now what you can really do is you can mirror the whole object to the other side. Anyways, you can select it, mirror it. Right, and the first point is here, and the second point is here. Alright, okay, so we got the figure. Now you can extend it. Alright, now you like to have, maybe shift to unselect, and you can copy this. Maybe right from here to here to here. Well, that's okay. That's how you be drawing this figure, and thanks for watching.